So hey guys, when I first started drinking my magic weight loss drink, I really only did apple cider vinegar and lemon together in 8 ounces of water. And this drink has helped me lose at least 20 pounds along with intermittent fasting. So you don't have to start with the mixture that I use in this particular video, but this mixture has helped me with so many other ailments, so many other things that you're going to love that I tell you about in this video. So stay tuned and enjoy. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Jamesia Capri, the nurse practitioner extraordinaire. And if you're new to my channel, I just want you to know that my passion is to help you succeed. Whether that be as a nurse practitioner, as anyone trying to take control of their health and manage their health and just become a better you overall. So today I'm going to discuss with you how I control my weight and my appetite, and oftentimes times as women we gain weight as we get older, and we just kind of need a little bit of a tool to help us keep that in control. Today I'm going to talk to you about my apple cider vinegar drink, and if you're interested, let's go. What I'm going to do, I'm going to talk about what I put in my apple cider vinegar drink. I'm also going to share with you the benefits of everything that I put in the drink. I was going through my cabinet today and I realized I don't have one of the ingredients that I use, but it's not really a game changer, but I will talk about that towards the end. So the first thing that I do, I get some water, and today I'm going to, you can use purified water. This is not purified water. This is just water from the tap, because I drink a whole gallon a day. I already have it prepared. I'm not going to waste another glass of water on something else, so I'm going to use that. That's my water. I might as well prepare it while no, I'll do that separate. Anyway, so I put water in there. I fill it up. I normally use this 24 ounce. And then I get the ground red pepper, which is cayenne pepper. And cayenne pepper is amazing. It's excellent. Like I said, I normally use this when I'm trying to make sure I keep my weight under control. And cayenne pepper, that speeds up your metabolism. It helps you suppress your appetite. It's also good for pain in your joints, guys. That's where they put the hot pepper cream. This is what they have inside of that cream. It's good for that. It's also good to speed up your metabolism, if I didn't say that. And it cuts your appetite. So that's why I'm putting this in there. I'm putting turmeric in as well. Oh, wait, I'm supposed to do this so you guys can see that better. Turmeric. I'm putting turmeric in there. Turmeric is a very strong antioxidant, and it's an anti-inflammatory. And sometimes I get a little bit of pain in my joints, and I use turmeric for that as well. But mainly I don't get it as much since I've been intermittent fasting. So it helps with, turmeric also helps with diabetes, helps to lower your blood sugar. It helps with your cholesterol. It will keep the plaque from developing inside of your arteries. I'm not gonna go really deep into any of that, but it helps with that. I also use lemon. Let's see. So lemon, and you can also use a regular lemon. And I use that, of course, lemon is very well known to help you with your weight loss, a cleanser. It boosts your immune system, excellent vitamin C. So that's why I use that. And I normally have some ginger and sprinkle some ginger in there, but I think my husband got a hold of my ginger. I don't know where it is right now. So he's Jamaican, so he loves that stuff. So, but ginger does help you with anti-inflammatory. It helps you with pain, nausea, heart disease, cancer, stuff like that. But the real game changer is the apple cider vinegar. And I use the Bragg's apple cider vinegar. And it has to be the one with the mother. Can y'all see that? And you'll see down here that it has sediment in the bottom. That's just the fermented apples. It has fermented. It helps me with my weight. It helps with appetite suppression, cravings, and really the mechanism of the apple cider vinegar, it keeps the insulin from spiking in your system. And once insulin spikes, you start to crave sugar, you want to eat carbs and everything like that. And the apple cider vinegar really helps to curtail all of that. And in your body, it helps you with your pH balance. It also helps with acid reflux. I have acid reflux pretty bad, and I don't see that it really helps me as much, but it does help a lot of people with acid reflux. It kills yeast. It is such a great probiotic for your gut, for your system. It combats colds. People have been using apple cider vinegar for years, but today I'm going to mix all this up and I'm going to drink it in front of you. I need a little help today because I've been craving some sweets. So I'm gonna go on and do this apple cider vinegar because normally I don't eat until somewhere around 2 o'clock. And guys, it's only close to maybe 1. So I'm starting to get a little bit hungry, and I'm just going to have my drink, and I hope you guys enjoy. So I'm gonna cut to that and I'll see you in a second. I'm gonna use half a teaspoon of the turmeric. I make it heat. I'm gonna use 2 tablespoons of the apple cider vinegar. I'm gonna use 1 tablespoon of the lemon. And I'm gonna use 3 dashes of the cayenne pepper. Well, maybe that was 4. So I go on and drink this all the way down when I do it. That doesn't mean you have to do that, but that is what I do. Mix it all in there because some of the stuff will float to the top. And I do drink a lot. I do drink it at one time, like I said. Bottoms up. So right here, y'all, I was like, this is to the very top. I don't, I just set myself up, y'all. I don't know if I'm gonna make it. Look, y'all. Yep. It's not done yet. Y'all see me thinking, I'm like, ooh, this is gonna be a failure because it ain't done. Look. Kind of stir it up a little. Okay, so I'm thinking, okay, I might make it, but I'm starting to get like the grains. It's gonna choke me. It's kind of choking me though, but normally I don't know. I could do it. I'm about to do it, y'all. Look. Moral of the story, y'all. You do not have to have that glass that big. I was trying to get my water in and my drink in at one time. You don't have to do that. It was a little bit too much, too fast. That is nasty, yeah. Be sure that you use a straw. And you will get used to it, but use a straw because you don't want your teeth to get that vinegar and it'll mess up your teeth. And the turmeric, it can stain. So make sure that you use a straw. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys. Hey guys, if you liked what you heard in this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. And hey, check out some of my other videos. Thank you for watching, and thanks for the support. Bye, guys.